Hi, hello, and welcome to Plated Poultry, a series on poultry recipes. Please hit the subscribe button below for more videos. Today we will be preparing Tandoori Chicken. Let's get into the video. We will look into see how we could prepare a Tandoori Masala. Now this masala can be used for any tandoori dishes. So let's see how we could prepare this Tandoori Masala. We have taken a medium pan and we have preheated it, and we're gonna fry these ingredients using this pan, and we're gonna fry it in medium-low flame. 2 teaspoons of coriander, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Fry this till you get the aroma of the pepper and the cumin. 1 medium-sized mace, 1/4 nutmeg, 1 star anise, 1 black cardamom, 1 inch of cinnamon, 8 cloves, 8 green cardamom, a small piece of dry ginger. Now once the ingredients are roasted, turn off the stove, and after we turn off the stove, we will add around 10 numbers of Kashmiri red chilies. We're going to fry this in the heat of the pan. We will shift this to a plate and we'll allow it to cool down. Now that the ingredients have cooled down, I'm going to shift it to a mixer jar and we're going to grind it into a fine powder. Your Tandoor Masala is ready. Tandoori Chicken. This is usually prepared by roasting the chicken in a cylindrical clay oven. When we are making this dish at home, we cannot have clay ovens at home. So we're going to use an alternate available at home, that is going to be your electrical ovens. Let's look to see how tandoori chicken is made. So I have taken 1 kilogram of chicken whole eggs. We will cut slits on the chicken for marination. Now I have taken 100 ml of thick curd. We will add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2.5 teaspoon of tandoori masala powder that we prepared in our previous video. We will add salt for taste, lemon juice extracted from half a lemon. We will mix as well. For the marination, I'm going to apply this paste on this chicken so that the masala gets into the chicken. Now that we have applied the masala to the chicken, we will allow it to marinate overnight. The chicken has been marinating overnight, so it's time for us to cook the chicken. I have taken a medium-sized oven pan and I'm going to grease it with 2 to 3 teaspoons of refined oil. We'll place the marinated chicken. I've set the oven to 250 degrees and I've set the time to 37 minutes. We will preheat the oven for 2 to 3 minutes, and after that we will place the chicken into the oven. Once the oven times out, we will remove the chicken from the oven. To get the flavor of the charcoal, what I have done is I have burnt a piece of charcoal. I'm going to place it in between the chicken. We'll pour 1 drop of oil on the burnt charcoal for it to fume. Now the charcoal is fuming, we will cover it with the foil. We will allow this for 2 to 3 minutes, then we will remove the foil. Our tandoori chicken is ready. Hope you love this video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.